Hello, Judy. This is Dave from ChiefTutor.com. Thanks for sending in your plan. So you're saying the angled ceilings are popping through, and I believe this is what you're talking about. The angled stair is popping through that ceiling, and you just wanted to show it as a drywall wall there, basically, right? Because the stairs actually do go there, but this is drywall. How can I drywall this? I think that's what you were asking. Hopefully, that's what you're asking. It's funny. I've seen this floor plan so many times in Southern California. I mean, just oh my gosh, 1,000 times. Sometimes the stairs start there and go up. Sometimes the stairs turn and go up. That's typically the front door, or the front door is punched out a little bit. There's always this odd, too small to be a dining room there. It's funny. So yeah, let me show you how to cover that up if that is the case. I think that's what you're trying to say. So what you want to do is you want to use your elevation tool and start your elevation tool in front of the wall. So I'm going to stick it out here, holding down my left mouse button. I'm going to be careful not to drag it at an angle. I want to go straight on, drag it into the stairs, and let go. And thereby it gives me a nice clean section to draw my wall. And that's what you need to do, is draw a wall there. But since you can't draw a chief architect wall there very easily, I mean you can, but it does take a lot of effort. It's so simple just to use a polyline solid. So you take that polyline solid and you start here and you go to about there. And then you double click this sucker and make it about, oh, we'll say 4.5, like the thickness of your walls. And then you want to drag that up to about, let's go a little bit lower than the stair, like that. Now, it doesn't really matter where it's located. It actually drew it in the stair. So if I go back to the 3D view, it's like way over here. But don't worry, that's not a big deal. So I'm going to scroll out so I know that it's all the way over here. See that little square? That's where it is. And why I said don't worry about it is because you can simply select it, do your point to point move. I'm going to select one edge and come over here and put it to the edge of the drywall here. I think it's right there. And then go back to my 3D view just to see if I got it in the right location. Sure enough, I'm going to pick up with the eyedropper, spray can that sucker, and good to go. And you can adjust to see how I made it a little extra long, so you do see a little bit of return, a little bit of shadow. You can return it so you can get exact. I mean, you can come in here and fine tune it. You know, grab it back, maybe zoom in a little closer, and we get this edge. Bring it up a little closer. I mean, you can, but you don't need to. I think most customers, they would never even notice that it's not exact. But I mean, you can go back to your elevation and keep tweaking it till you get it to what you think is perfect. You know, like here, I could go right up against it, say like that. Go back to the 3D, and you can see it's starting to look really, really clean that way. So that's the simple and easy way to do it. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you soon.